girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you're gonna spend the day with me. Let's spend the day with me. It's not morning time right now. I did miss the morning, but like I just walked my dog. I just did a bit of pre-recording Instagram shit. Just kind of boring shit that, you know, I didn't feel like it was vlog worthy. So let's now vlog the rest of the day. So we're gonna start off by doing baked oats. I'm late to every trend. Like I only tried a matcha Starbucks latte last week. Like hello. So I'm late to this trend, but I've been dying to try it. So we're gonna do baked oats. Then we're actually gonna go out in the car again. I need a car wash. Kind of in the mood to go to Krispy Kreme. I don't know, let's just go for a drive again. That was fun the last time and it's kind of how I occupy myself. With these vlogs, it's you and me, girlies, it's you and me. So we gotta do something. The last vlog, I bought nails, they've all fallen off. We'll buy new nails today. So the TikTok for the baked oats that I'm gonna put on the screen here. It's half a cup of oats, half a banana. I don't have a banana. I don't even like banana, doesn't matter. Okay, might change the consistency, I don't care. An egg, a tablespoon of maple syrup, tablespoon of peanut butter, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, quarter cup of vanilla. Shit, what's a cup? What's a fucking cup? Oh, we're not American over here. What measurement is a cup? I hate this. Oh, I also don't even have a blender. Why do I even try? I'm not sure why I even try. I don't have a blender, so we're going old school, whisk and all that shit. Listen, let's just see how we get on. Oven is preheating. Okay, half a cup of oats. Don't be broken. Had batteries, we're okay. Okay, we're okay, girlies. Nothing's gone wrong just yet. I don't like porridge. I need to stop talking. Okay, 64 grams of oats. Okay, we're getting there, girlies. I don't have a banana. Let's forget it. Don't worry about it. An egg. Okay, I can do that. An egg. I thought I'd have a cooking channel. Look at me go. Talk about thriving. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. We want this to be sweet. Am I fucked without the banana? A tablespoon of this. Okay, that felt like a lot. I did not need to do the spoon. Why did I do that? Oh. If you don't know me, it's worth noting that I do not cook, I do not bake. I'm a really weird picky eater. So this is totally out of my comfort zone, okay? So please, no judgment here. I know you girly, we don't judge here. We're a safe community, I know that. I trust you guys. Good, we're doing good. We're doing great. Peanut butter. I do like peanut butter, not too much though. I actually like almond butter. Should I have done it with almond butter? Can you do it with almond butter? Oh, I do like peanut butter. Okay. Teaspoon of baking powder. Pinch of salt. Oh, no. We're not giving up, we're not giving up. What was I doing? Okay, 60 mils, about 60 mils of oat milk. I'm not gonna put that, yeah, that's enough. The consistency, girls, I'm nervous. I'm nervous, okay. Vanilla, we'll just do a tiny little teaspoon. Oh, that was way too much. Naturally, her consistency looked better than mine. I'm not so sure. Let's do chocolate chips and then we're putting her in the oven. We're gonna be generous. What do we think, girlies? Oh, I'm so nervous. Let's clean up while she cooks. She's here, she's here, okay. I don't know. She's hot. Skeptical. That was less than 20 minutes because it seemed to be heating the fuck up. It's gonna be roasting. Oh, I think I need to put her back in. I just felt like she was burning. Okay, I need to put it back in. Fuck's sake. Let's try this a little bit. It's delish. Truly. That is very good. Okay, it's very rich. Like, that seems like a huge portion. I'm not that hungry. Okay, I think I made her the tiniest bit runny, and I wonder is that the lack there of banana, but I shouldn't be making any assumptions because I don't know shit. Oh no, girls, I fucked it. Do you see the middle of it? It's literally, what the fuck is wrong with me? So the middle of it just didn't cook, but I'm not fucking putting it in again because all the outskirts are burning. I just find it so funny that I actually think I could manage these things, that I could do this successfully. Like, I love that I have that kind of faith in myself. Like, it literally looks like cake. It is good. It is delish. It's kind of giving me scone vibes. Like, I can see the hype. I personally wouldn't be having it every day. I've seen people having it as their breakfast like every day. No, I'm not that hooked. What would I rate it? See, I don't think it's fair of me to give ratings to food because I'm not a foodie. I don't have good taste in food. But for me and my taste and my range of food, will I give it like a 6 out of 10? Like if you were craving like a bit of a sweet breakfast, I'd literally describe it as like a soft wholemeal scone. I'm just kind of picking at it. I'm not like digging into this like it's a meal. Wouldn't be my breakfast. I'd have it as a snack. So that was fun, but I don't know how soon I'll be doing that again. I don't know, let's just, I don't know. Okay girlies, let's go. Car wash, petrol. Will we go and get like a Krispy Kreme donut or something? Will we just go and just, what the fuck else is there to do? I'm so sick of this lockdown. Like will we get like a donut and a nice coffee? Oh my god, that's so American. I don't know, why do I look so small? Oh, I need to cut my bangs. Okay girls, when we get home, maybe I'll trim my bangs on camera. And I'll do a little, oh my god, no, I should not do a trimming your bangs too. They do need a trim. Okay, let's go. I'll update you as we go. Love you. Oh my god, does anyone follow Suede Brooks on TikTok? $2! $2! Every ounce of enthusiasm I had in this world is gone. That was a disaster. Queued for like an hour. Got up to the order. And they only had 2 flavored donuts left, which is fine because I don't really care about the donut. I got one anyway. But the car in front of me like was fuming, sped off. So I was like, I queued for like an hour. So I was like, I'm gonna let people know that they're gonna queue for an hour, and if they want donuts, they're not getting donuts. And then I just made a fucking dick of myself trying to tell a car, and then they were looking at me like, you're a fucking crazy person. And the next car were really nice about it, but that first car looked to me like, are you okay? And honestly, no. That was like such a disappointment. There was actually a woman, the woman that stormed off ahead of me, I saw her screaming and shouting at a few cars, as she should. I got a nice latte. I'm not a coffee connoisseur, so I'm not gonna fucking rave about it because there's nothing to rave about. Because I'm just over today. I've been in the car for just far too long. Oh my god, I just got it all over myself. I'm so done. I'm just in a bad mood now. My uterus woke up and chose anger today. Girlies, I didn't even finish filming my day. My uterus, I said what I said, and I came home and curled up in a ball, and I was outie. I was outie, so here we are. So let's pretend this is me yesterday evening. So last night I did shower and wash my hair. So we are waking up, we've clean hair. So I've washed my hair, but we're gonna trim my front pieces. I really hope, Michelle, if you're watching, stop watching. And I'm gonna show you using the Dyson in better depth than last time. So girlies, if you don't have front bangs or whatever you want to call them, don't go cutting them yourself. But because I already have them, I kind of am able just to trim them. Well, I think I am. I just give them the tiniest little trim. I don't want to do this on camera. I don't trust myself. So, disclaimer, I'm not a hairdresser. I've no idea what I'm doing, but I just know that this works for me. I've been doing it throughout lockdown. I've noticed my hair isn't even in the frame. Are you in the frame? Oh, I'm just not having a good time, girls. So what I do is I literally take the hair from the front and lift it literally straight up. You girls are gonna die. I feel like you girls are gonna kill me, but I swear I'll be fine. And then I'm looking at it and just really finely chipping away at the ends. So you're not doing anything that way. I'm just, this is what my hairdresser does, so let's hope for the best. Okay, do you see? We'll do a little bit more. I just start really slowly. But again, do not cut your own bangs. This is just me trimming them because I've had them now for a while and I kind of get the gist of this. I kind of have an idea. Okay, so I've only done a tiny bit. She's working. Again, do not do this at home on yourself if you do not have bangs. Let's just do the tiniest bit more. Okay, that bit's very long. I didn't mean to pick all that up. Okay, do you see? Just the tiniest bit, but you see the difference? She just needed that little bit. Okay, I'll do the other side. Okay, so that was just the tiniest little trim. They're fine. Full brunette over here, don't mind me. Okay, so I washed my hair last night, and before I blow dry my hair, I would put in, now I'm always changing my hair care because I do have a lot of bits and bobs going on over here. But so for example, last night I used the Redken 25 Benefit spray as a heat protector, and then because I saw a girl do it on TikTok, Olaplex, we love Olaplex. Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother mixed with Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. So you put like a €1 coin size of this, if even, and drops of oil in your hands. Rub it all in, push it through the hair, and it really does leave your hair very soft. Now this is just like basically my natural hair because I've slept on it, but it leaves your hair super soft, and Olaplex is just, as far as I know, really good for your hair health, and that's what we want. My hair is kind of thin. I think she's getting better. She's definitely gotten longer with lockdown, and I think I'll keep her long. Like when I finally get to go to the hairdressers, I think I'll keep her long. I'll get these bits done a little bit, but I'm not going to go as short with my curtain bangs. I don't think I'm going to go back to full-on curtain bangs again. I don't know, we'll see. But and I just want to be peroxide blonde. So girlies, every single day of my life I use the Dyson. I got gifted the Dyson Airwrap and the Dyson hairdryer kind of like this time last year maybe, and I use this every single day. I really do love it. If I spent my money on it, I think I'd still love it. If I spent my money on the hairdryer, I don't know. Like, if you tried to take it away from me, I'd be like, don't you fucking dare take it away from me. But if I spent my money on it, like, it's bougie, it looks stunning, it's quiet, but is it all that different to a normal hairdryer? I don't really know. But this bad boy, I love. So girlies, the first thing I need to say is you get 2 different direction curl tops. I just use the one because it just works for me, and I'm going to show you why. So let's begin with the bangs. I literally just pick up the fronts of my hair and turn on and let the hair get brought backwards. It's going to look a bit wild. I'm always asked about the volume in my hair, and to be honest, I do have a bit of a natural lift at my root because my hair is light, because it's thin. Does that make sense? But I swear to God, do you see the volume that's already given my hair? So I do like to go underneath the back, like just so vaguely. I don't even section my hair. I don't section my hair because it's so thin. Again, if you have big thick hair, you'll need to section your hair, but I don't really need to. So I'll pick up all of this and just put the Dyson back there, just so it creates a lift under there. Does that make sense? And you see how it just starts to create volume by doing that. Now, disclaimer though, because like if you've big, heavy, thick hair, it probably won't do that for you. But I just have that kind of light, whimsy, does what she wants kind of hair. So she's annoying. She's very annoying, but she does do the volume for me. Then I go in. I usually would just start at the ends. And I'm not even sectioning. When I'm really in the mood, I'll section. But honestly, she does this for me because this is just my casual, fluffy kind of hair, I would describe it, which is my everyday hair. And then sometimes I will go down like this, and this will kind of straighten things out, so really slowly till you get to the end. You get me? So, or even you can start up there and rolling her down. Girlies, literally the same direction head, using it sideways. And like, honestly girls, that's really it. Oh girlies, I'm loving the Gazoo, I hope I'm saying that right, the honey infused oil, hair oil. Absolutely stunning. Literally just like a drop, you don't need much at all. Just run that through the ends first and then up to the top. My hair is definitely dry from all the colouring I've done, so it's been enjoying the lockdown break, but personally I just want my hair done. So girlies, really that's it. Okay, I use the Dyson so weirdly. There's so many different ways to use it. You know, I do have a Dyson Airwrap versus the TikTok hot brush thing. I have a video on that if you want to see more in depth of this, and versus like a cheaper Revlon €60 brush. But I just love my Dyson. I always pick her up. So that's it girlies. My battery is flashing at me. God, girlies, honestly, this is just, I was gonna say this day has been a mess. It's not even the same day. Just this whole, I swear to God, my uterus just came in and fucked everything up. It's still fucking shit up, okay? And I'm really sorry about it. So I'm gonna leave it there before my battery dies. Girlies, I'm so sorry. This video was just a mess, a catastrophe, shocking, a joke. Next week, we're gonna have a Zara haul. I'm so excited for that. Hot Girl Summer Zara haul, spring summer bits. So tune in then. I'll see you then. And I love you so much. Thank you always. I see you in my likes, subscribes, and comments. Appreciate you so much. Love you. I'll see you in the comments below. Mwah. Love you. Bye.